If you have the home decor shopping bug, come along with me to the biggest mall in Canada, and I'm gonna share some of my favorite decor stores. Hey there, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com. The shopping for home decor and furniture is a little bit different here in Canada, so I thought it would be fun for me to share with you my absolute favorite home decor stores in West Edmonton Mall. There's some that you'll find in the States, but then there's also a couple that are unique to Canada that I think are so underrated. So whether you live here in Canada or whether you live elsewhere, I hope you get some inspiration as you come shopping with me. Let's go. My kids are on spring break this week, so we are going to the mall together, checking out some of my favorite stores, some of their favorite stores. We probably head to West Ed maybe about once a month. The first stop is H&M, and I wasn't meaning to look for clothing, but I did walk by this gorgeous linen blend dress, so I might grab that. I think it's so beautiful. But what I'm here for is H&M Home. I love this store. I know that you have this in the States as well, but I do find that the prices are quite reasonable. They have a lot of items that are on trend in here. I especially love all of their dinnerware, like these pottery look plates. They look so high end. They are a little on the pricier side, as you can see. However, I do have the H&M app where you can often get deals like 20% off every now and then. I also like how they have a lot of linen or linen blend table runners, and all of their wooden goods like this cutting board are so beautiful and timeless. I think these plates are so pretty for spring. They have such a beautiful sort of ribbed texture, and they would be so pretty for a spring tablescape, and so would this beautiful floral runner. I love this apron. It has such a classic farmhouse look to it, and I think it's a really great deal for $17.99. H&M Home always has fantastic tabletop things like vases, glasses, dinnerware, things like that. This vase I thought was so pretty. You could put a beautiful floral arrangement in there for a table centerpiece. Also like this checkered pillowcase. I know checkered things are very popular right now. I probably wouldn't put it in my own home, but it would be really neat maybe for a mid-century modern type of decor. And then this is my favorite pillowcase that they have that I've used in quite a few different room makeovers. Nice and classy. I think it's around $20 Canadian. And then here's a little bit more of an expensive one, but I love the texture on this pillow cover. This vase is beautiful too, and it's only $35. Such a pretty table centerpiece, and I love the texture of this cushion cover. There's also a lot of beautiful throws here. I especially love this neutral one with all the texture. And then they have some beautifully textured, I want to say textured so much because they have so much texture in H&M Home, these beautifully textured area rugs. The bedding section is also a favorite in this store. They also have some beautiful curtains, a cotton linen blend drape, a little on the pricier side, but it is a material that's gonna look more high end. It's gonna last a long time. And then they have these 100% linen duvet cover sets. I've seen these a lot, and I know they're on the pricey side as well, but for a fully linen set for a duvet for sheet sets, I think it's a great deal. This smoked glass I think is so pretty. I love how they have the water glasses, the coupes, and then I actually have the bowls in this set. I love how it has this handmade look to it, beautiful plates, and they feel so substantial. Also love the matching dessert bowls. As you can see, I'm really drawn to linen textiles, and the tablecloths here are beautiful. They have so many pretty colors. I think this mirror is beautiful. It would look so nice in a boho or a coastal styled room makeover. And then this texture of this sort of bubble vase is super cute as well. The next store we're going to is Simon's. This is a Canadian store, and I think this one is incredibly underrated. So not only do they have a whole lot of clothes, so my teenager loves this store, but they have a section that's completely home decor. They have beautiful bedding and they have some gorgeous tabletop decor. Love the texture of this pillow here, and I really love this floral duvet set here. They have a lot of embroidery for the season. This one is beautiful. I feel like embroidery and sort of boho chic 70s, like this color, this green avocado color bedspread is really hot for this year. My littlest one loved this bed set, loved this sweet floral quilt. And then here's some more embroidered bedding. Simon's also has some great bathroom decor, so their towels are quite nice. And then they do usually have a lot of decor accents for the bathroom, like these ones. What I like to do is check out Simon's periodically online for their sales. So for example, this poof is $50 off, so they often have really great deals for sale items. And if you buy a certain amount of things online, you get a really good deal. You get free shipping often. And I feel like a lot of their accessories are quite on trend, like the ribbed glassware in the clear and the smoked. I do believe they ship to the States as well, even though they are Canadian, and I'll make sure to link a lot of my favorite items from Simon's down in that description box below. My girls and I are really loving all of the mushroom themed tablescape things that they have. And then of course I'm drawn to all of the floral things like this beautiful tablecloth. They always have beautiful candles and lots of home decor accents. I love this mushroom scrubby here. And then I also love the napkins that go with this as well. They kind of have a lot of kitschy type decor. I really like this strawberry berry holder and all of the strawberry themed accents. Beautiful pink glassware that would be so pretty for a spring tablescape. And then this floral mug really caught my eye. I feel like it has sort of an anthropology vibe to it, but it's a lot less expensive. These lemon themed things are also quite sweet. I love this little tea towel. This would look cute in a bright kitchen for the season. Blue and white are so classic and very on trend for this season. I love this beautiful vase, and I love this whole tablescape. The green with the blue, you know, that's right up my alley. This crochet placemat, so pretty. I feel like this could make a fabulous DIY. You could use maybe some string from the dollar store and make placemats like this. And of course, I loved the embroidered floral napkins, the little blueberries and flowers, just those so cute. I actually did pick up this cutlery earlier. I feel like it's a great deal, $35 for a set of 4, and the mint green color was perfect for our tiny cabin renovation. And look at the cutest little berry container with the blueberries on it. I love this. A newer line that I've been liking at Simon's is all of their vaseware, and I've actually seen that they have quite a few faux florals now, which I haven't seen in the past. So lots of very unique shaped and colored vases, and then some quite realistic looking faux flowers. This little garden set would be so cute for a Mother's Day gift. I love the green and white and the patterns on this one. This candle holder reminds me of something that you might see at Crate and Barrel for more of an expensive price, but here it is quite reasonable, on sale at $13. Now we're heading to another exclusively Canadian store. This is HomeSense. So it's very similar to Home Goods in the States. I think HomeSense is the place for throw pillows, for accent cushions. They're always very reasonably priced. You can get the pillow and the insert for $30. $50 maybe is the maximum I've seen here. And then they do have some beautiful throw blankets like this textured one with all of the different colors. I fell in love with this bistro set. It is so cute. I love the white and the rattan, but it is a little bit pricey for my budget right now. But I hope someone picks this up. They do have quite a bit of outdoor selections here right now for spring, and I feel like most of the things are reasonably priced. I'm always very drawn to anything by Samantha Pin. She is a designer here in Canada. And look at this beautiful green and gold glassware for the bathroom. Reasonably priced, and it looks so gorgeous. HomeSense is usually quite good for all their faux florals. I do like this dried floral arrangement, but I feel like for $30, I could probably recreate it with some dollar store items and some dried flowers that I have on hand. This is also a great place to find accent chairs and bar stools. This citrine colored chair, or maybe goldenrod yellowed colored chair, I think is such a beautiful color. Goes with that 70s trend that we're seeing now. And I love all the area rugs that they have here. If you're looking for something that's more budget friendly, you can usually find something for around $100 here at HomeSense. They also usually have fantastic cutlery. I love this rose gold and gold set here. And then, of course, more Samantha Pin. This is an outdoor plastic set, and I like this for the summer or even for camping. This would be cute. They're always very on the ball with all of their seasonal decor. Now we're going to check out Structube, another exclusively Canadian, more furniture store. I have purchased a few pieces from here. This couch is very similar to the cloud couch that I purchased from Structube. This one is reasonably priced for a sectional. And then here is the larger version of the mirror that I got. It's sort of an Anthropologie dupe, but much cheaper here. And then I thought this mirror was so pretty as well with the rattan and all of the texture. My daughter is loving this bedding, and she loves this pink boucle chair. Very on trend, quite reasonable for furniture. I'm digging this green velvet sofa. I love how it has just very curvy features. And then there's always a lot of home decor accents that you can buy at Structube. Usually I'll buy things online from them because they do offer usually free shipping. Sometimes it takes a while, but you do tend to save quite a bit of money here. This boucle couch is gorgeous. However, I feel like it would get quite dirty at my house. However, this leather chair, this would be a classic, easy to clean, and it's a great price for a leather piece. Thanks so much for coming shopping with me. I hope you enjoyed this little West Edmonton Mall home decor window shop. I was good. I didn't pick up too many things because I don't really have any home styling staging projects on the go. There'll be some later in the season, and I am trying to use mostly what I have. However, I did buy that floral dress and I am in love with it. I wasn't meaning to buy any clothing for this trip, but I love this. It's gonna be so cute for Easter, really cute for a summer wedding that I have. And then I did buy a couple of these plates, bowl/plates from H&M Home. I love the texture of them. They are so pretty. And I find these just so handy for either servingware or just for any of those like big bowl lunches that I like to have. Let me know down in the comments below which of these stores was your favorite or which find was your favorite. I would love to know. I will link to some of my favorite finds that I did share in this video also down in the description box below in case you want to shop them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY and home decor ideas on a budget. I'm gonna leave some more videos that I hope you will enjoy watching next right up here.